The mind is a thoroughfare along which thoughts race or crawl or fly. If not controlled, they prove a tumult of undirected and dangerous traffic. Babaji.
Welcome to the Kriya Yoga Masterclass, the #1 yoga community on SKOOL. Inside you'll get unlimited access to live weekly Kriya Yoga classes, soul talks live from a Thailand beach, live Kriya Yoga satsangs, bi-monthly full moon and new moon holy fires, 500 plus on-demand videos, and you get it all for only $200. One-time payment, lifetime access. Go to Kriya Yoga Masterclass and join the Kriya Yoga Masterclass today. Go to kriyayogamasterclass.com. Inside the Kriya Yoga shop, you'll discover 108 Raksha beads and Vedgari Moksha's divine hand-painted artwork on t-shirts, notebooks, tumblers, and canvases for Kali, Samadhi, Shiva and Shakti, Babaji on the fire, Lord Ganesha, the 7 chakras, the Sri Yantra, Enlightened Vedguru Dev, the Holy Yagna Fire, Shanmukhi Mudra. If this artwork represents your soul, visit kriyayogashop.com. What Babaji is saying in this very profound quote is, if you look at your mind as a highway, some cars go very fast, as some thoughts go very fast, some thoughts go very slow, like some cars go very slow, and some cars just go middle speed, like some thoughts go middle speed. So you should always control your thoughts and control your car, or it becomes on a dangerous highway and you don't want your car to go out of control. So always control your car and guide your car the way you want it to go. So no matter how fast a thought comes in, you control your thoughts. No matter how slow your thoughts come in, you control your thoughts. So when they become thoughts on the dangerous highway of your mind, you control it no matter what happens, because you are in control of all your thoughts. And the thoughts don't control you and get out of control, you control the thoughts. So you are in total control 24 hours a day, because you control your thoughts. You control how fast your thoughts go, you control how slow your thoughts go, and you become the king of your castle, and you control every thought. So it can never become a dangerous highway in your mind, because you control the speed of all your thoughts, no matter how fast or slow they come in. Om Kriya Babaji Namo. If you would like to support, I invite you to go to kriyayogamasterclass.com, the #1 yoga community on SKOOL, where seekers from around the world learn the sacred science of Kriya Yoga, awakening peace, clarity, and higher consciousness. Visit kriyayogamasterclass.com and join the masterclass today. Go to kriyayogashop.com. Inside the Kriya Yoga shop, you'll discover 108 Raksha beads and Vedgari Moksha's divine hand-painted artwork on t-shirts, notebooks, tumblers, and canvases. If this artwork resonates with your soul, visit kriyayogashop.com. Become a YouTube channel member here. Click the YouTube related video here. Tap the subscribe, like, and hype buttons. Jai Babaji.